Hi, and this is Mrs. Sam. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss the latest information and education videos on the cleaning industry. Now, today's video, I'm going to actually talk about what do you do, how do you market now, because all the offices are closed. So if you're using the cold calls or networking, you have the stay-at-home order, that really could put a little bit of a wall up or a crunch up for some cleaning companies. But if you have been listening to my previous videos, one of the things I talk about is website presence. A website presence is necessary, always has been, but is definitely necessary now. So you definitely need to have a website, have it set up where search engine, certain keywords that pull your customers to you. They're actually words that attract customers. There's a certain way that you place them. There's a certain layout that have to be on the page, and there's certain key indicators that actually pull customers to you. Right now, there are a lot of companies looking for cleaning companies, so we're actually in demand. But in order to make sure you stand out, you have to have the right tools and you have to have the right techniques and the right tactics. So if you're interested in that, please make sure you click the link below for how to start or grow a profitable cleaning business, and it will be live. And we want to make sure that we get to everyone's questions and answers. So space is limited. Go ahead and sign up, and if you end up getting on the wait list, we'll make sure that we get back with you so that you can join another one of our free webinars. But hopefully you'll be able to get in. But go ahead and register, and we start from everywhere from the name, getting started with your name, selecting your name, all the way through to invoicing your first client. So hope to see you soon. Be safe, take care, and look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.